Here I've got REALME X50 5G, and let me show you how to change icon style on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all apps, then go to the settings. Now find and select home screen and wallpaper. And here you will notice set icon style. Just mark it, and you can either use default option, material style, here it is, pebble, or you can custom it by yourself. So at first you can pick the shape. You have 4 options. And let me pick this one for example. And now you can change the size of the app icon and also the whole icon size. So let me pick smaller maybe and make the icon totally small. Tap on apply. As you can see, icon style has been applied and you can see it over here, but also on your home screen. And this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.